Microsoft Excel is a powerful program that is used for data management and data analytics. It is used by businesses that track, calculate, or analyze any type of data, such as business income, expenditure, sales, purchase, products, budget, financial results, etc. Excel's interface is very easy to use. Using the powerful features and formulas in Excel, you can easily perform complex calculations. It also has programming capabilities of Visual Basic Applications, VBA, using which you can easily automate your work. This training program has been prepared to teach you Microsoft Excel from beginner level to advanced level. Let's first understand the interface of Microsoft Excel. Worksheets are most important in Excel. It appears at the bottom of Excel window. You can add more than 250 worksheets in an Excel file. When you open an Excel file, by default, you have 3 worksheets: Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. You can add a worksheet by clicking on Insert Worksheet option right here. Cells are available in each worksheet to start working on data. Cells are made with a combination of rows and columns. A total of 16,384 columns are available in the worksheet. From column A to column XFD, there are 10,48,576 rows available in an Excel sheet. Each cell has a name. You can see this name right here in the name box. For example, currently your cursor is in D10 cell, that is column D and row number 10. On the right side of name box, you can see formula bar. You can use the formula bar to write and edit formulas in a cell. The area above the formula bar is called as ribbon. You can see 7 ribbons on your screen. In the home ribbon, you will learn about commands and options related to drafting a worksheet, such as cut, copy, paste, font, size, bold, italic, align, formatting, etc. Similarly, in Insert ribbon, you will learn how to add elements like pivot tables, pictures, clip arts, shapes, charts in a worksheet. In the Page Layout ribbon, you will learn to change the layout of your worksheet. You will use the options like themes, colors, margins, orientation, size, etc. With Formulas ribbon, you can apply financial, logical, text, date time, lookup and mathematical formulas on your data. In Data ribbon, you will learn to create external data connections, internal data analysis, grouping, filtering, sorting, options, etc. In the Review ribbon, you will learn options to protect your worksheet, share your worksheet, add comments, check spelling, translate, and many other options. In the View ribbon, you learn to change the layout of your worksheet, such as normal layout, page layout, page break layout, and other options like zoom, rulers, freeze panels, etc. Along with these options, you are going to learn many more things like creating data in Excel file, applying formulas to your data, analyzing your data, automating your daily work with macros and Visual Basic Applications, VBA. We promise that by the end of this course, you will be super expert in Microsoft Excel and you will be able to work on any type of data or complex calculations. So, let's start the journey of learning Microsoft Excel. I'll see you in the next tutorial where you'll learn about data. Thank you for your time.